So, maganda yan. So, pag-usapan natin vitamin E. Once in a while, sabi ko, may mga friends din ako in media, like you. Sabi na, Doktora, can you help me naman? Kasi yung skin nyo, parang rested. So, it's more on rested. Sabi niya, wala ba kayong stress? Sabi ko, hindi. I also have stress. Kaya lang, siguro ang lamang lang namin, kasi nasa media, nasa medical kami, no? And we have this, of course, we understand more the medical and clinical application and implication ng mga pollutants, yung mga ganon, tapos plus yung mga medication. So, maaga pa lang, napoprotection na namin sarili namin. Yun lang naman ang edge namin. Pero, wala rin kaming protection sa aging tumatanda rin kami. Kaya lang, we make it a point na before aging comes in, may protection na kami. So, dapat lahat tayo ganon. We should be proactive.
Oo, kaya nga nagpapasalamat kami at nagpapasalamat tayo sa HOVID kasi dinala nila dito sa Pilipinas itong natural vitamin E na magiging protection natin against aging and also against sun damage, di ba?
Yes. Actually, we are not going to stop the aging, but somehow we want to delay it, no? Alam mo ba, at the age of 27, our cells are starting to degenerate na. 27 years old.
Pala.
Very, But we don't see it, right? Wala tayong nakikitang wrinkles, wala tayong nakikitang discoloration. Okay, it will take time. Kasi the cell is the smallest particle of our body, no? So, it takes like how many years before magkaroon ka ng physical na makita mo yung wrinkling, yung pigmentation, diba? So, 20 to 30 years pa. So, the good thing is that habang hindi pa dumarating yung aging na maging physical na makita mong, naku, kulubot na yung mukha mo, meron ka ng investment. So, I think, like what I'm telling some of my friends, I think we parents, our investment is yung mga children, no? So, we want them to go to a good school, good group of, friends, no? And mga students. For our own self, for our personal health, I think it is also very important na we have to look at things na prior to anything that may happen, meron na tayong naka-invest, may investment na tayo ng konti. So, I think the vitamin E is a good one because number one, it has a good potential antioxidant property.
Pero anong kaibahan niya doon sa ibang vitamin E na tocopherol ang tawag sa kanila? Ito kasing vitamin E ng HOVID na tinatawag na Tocovid ay tocotrienol ang laman.
Yes.
Anong kaibahan nun?
Ayun na ba, before kasi vitamin E, there are two components, there are two types, no? You have this tocopherol, which we known in the market for quite some time, and we also have the tocotrienol, which is just parang recently, no? So, but this is not really recent. It's been there. It's quietly, silently, nasa industry na yan. But they are making more researches, because they want to see if there is any clinical effect, no, in terms to helping not only in the aging process, not only in the hair, in the nails, but also to some medical aspect like in stroke, like in sa cataract,
like heart disease.
Yes, heart disease. So it helps.
Tsaka pati sa Alzheimer's pala, no?
Yes, mga ganon. So, kumbaga, the medical researchers are geared towards, looking towards some medical things na pwedeng they want to direct kung talagang there's really that good effect. So, ang maganda rito, kasi tocotrienol is made up of 3 double bonds. So, kaya trienol. So, the good thing kasi, ang trienol kasi, the double bonds, these are unsaturated. Ibig sabihin ng unsaturated, madali silang ma-digest, mabilis silang mag-penetrate. So, the bioavailability, once you take the vitamins, mabilis ma-absorb sa cells.
Pero ito ay kung tocotrienol ang iyong vitamin E.
Yes, tocotrienol lang po ang pwede. Because tocopherol, it has no double band. So, it's a saturated one. So, it takes a long time
para
to
absorb ng katawan.
Absorb and go to the cellular level.
Talaga? Okay. So, pwedeng mailabas mo na lang yun nang hindi pa na-absorb? Pwedeng ganon? Kung tocopherol siya?
Kung tocopherol kasi, parang kumbaga you have to take 150 IU. Compare mo sa tocotrienol na you can take 50 milligrams, pwede na. Kasi
Ah.
the potency, mas potent kasi yung tocotrienol because on the virtue of its bioavailability, it's more efficient, mas mabilis.
So, akala mo nakamura ka doon sa tocopherol.
Kasi mataas
Oo.
ang milligram, but
Oo,
no,
mataas
it's
ang
not.
milligrams. Oo.
Yeah, we have to be aware na hindi ho tinitingnan si milligram.
Mm-mm.
You have to see the source.
Mm-mm.
It should be natural.
Mm-mm.
Natural is more potent compared to synthetic.
Oo, oo.
And usually,
so, synthetic yung tocopherol?
Yeah, there are
Mm-mm.
mga laboratory made, no? So,
Mm-mm.
because parang these are commercially available.
Mm-mm.
But the tocotrienol is very hard kasi to
Mm-mm.
get the real...
To extract,
Yeah.
oo. Kasi kinukuha yan sa palm,
Sa
no?
palm oil.
Oo. So, mahirap yung extraction. Kaya, mas mahal siya. Pero, mas effective naman pala sa ating
Yes.
katawan. So,
Actually,
hindi ka nagsasayang ng pera.
Hindi naman.
Oo.
Kasi kung iisipin, parang at least you take the real thing, no?
Mm-mm. Natural
Kumbaga,
yan.
wala na yung
Mm-mm.
sugar coating na
Mm-mm.
taas-taas. Kasi you have, the liver also have to digest,
Mm-mm.
have to detoxify.
Mm-mm.
So you see, if you're taking a lot of vitamins or a lot of medicine, di ba,
Mm-mm.
makita mo yung liver enzyme mo tumataas.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
So if you're taking much of the vitamin E,
Mm-mm.
sabi na 300 every day,
Mm-mm.
compared to 50 milligrams every day,
Mm-mm.
siyempre mas pagod yung liver mo.
Mm-mm.
Right?
Mm-mm.
Compare,
Oo.
kasi pag 50 lang ang you're taking 50 milligram every day, so mas rested yung liver, konti lang na enzyme, no?
Mm-mm.
For the drugs to be detoxified.
Mm-mm.
And also, but compare mo sa mga sa like what you're calling
Mga tocopherol na 150, 300.
150.
Oo.
So, mas maraming
Mm-mm.
load
Liver
for the
enzymes.
liver.
Oo. Tapos, ang maganda pa nga dyan, dahil all natural, itong tocotrienol na nasa Tocovid, ay hindi ka natatakot nga na baka mahirapan yung iyong mga organs
Yes,
sa pagpoproseso nito. Walang mga wastes.
Wala
Oo.
naman siya.
Mm-mm.
Kasi this is fat soluble, okay?
Mm.
May mga vitamins kasi na fat soluble, no?
Mm-mm.
May vitamins na water soluble. Ibig sabihin na pag yung vitamin na yon ilinagay mo sa water, pag water soluble siya, so talagang ma-absorb.
Mm-mm.
If you have naman vitamins which are fat soluble,
Mm-mm.
ibig sabihin pag sa mga fatty tissue, mas ma-absorb. So yun lang yun. That's why you can take the vitamin E with meals, no? Para mas better ang absorption.
Okay. Anyway,